Headstock is ready for paint now. Lots of layers of primer and spackle. Here's the taper attachment. Only one layer of paint missing. Right there, it needs a little bit more. I'm going to take off the wear strips here, or probably not wear strips, but anyway, take them off and clean them. Compound rest is ready. There's the rest of the taper attachment ready too. First coat of the paint is done. I think it came out okay. No runs or drips. That's the main thing. Need another coat, but that will have to wait until another day. Here's the paint I'm using. Hempalin. Here are the tie downs for the tailstock and the cover for the spindle bearing adjustment. Got their second coat of paint now. I think they're done.